I'm Dr. Hamilton Stubbs, a double board certified sleep specialist and a certified nutrition specialist. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. If you haven't already subscribed, I hope you will. I love to have you as a subscriber. And don't forget to hit notifications so you'll know when I make my next video. This video is about coconut sugar. I make my videos based on comments or questions that people submit to me. So if you have a question on sleep or nutrition in sleep, that's what this channel is all about. Drop your question and I'll see if it's something that I can make a video on. If you like this type of information, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at I am Dr. P.H. Stubbs. So coconut sugar. First of all, what is it? You know, a lot of us think that it comes from the coconut, but it doesn't. It comes from the coconut palm tree sap. Harvesters will get that sap, collect it, and then boil it down and process it into what we know as coconut sugar. And it resembles table sugar or cane sugar after it's been processed. It might be a little bit different in the color. It does have a lower glycemic index than regular table sugar, but that doesn't make it a healthy alternative. It won't make it something that you want to put in a low-carb diet. It's definitely not something for a keto diet. The coconut sugar does have some nutrients, but it's in small quantities. So it does have some iron, some zinc, calcium, potassium, but these quantities are small, and this is not a good source for you to try to get those minerals. It also has a soluble fiber called inulin, and that may offer some benefit to our gut bacteria. So how is coconut sugar going to be beneficial? It may offer some help to bones, and that's because a 100 gram serving of coconut sugar has about 300 and it's 300 and let me see here. 100 grams of coconut sugar has 875 milligrams of potassium, 375 milligrams of calcium. Now, I had to read that because I don't memorize those numbers, so I want to make sure I got that correct for you. That's a pretty good amount of potassium, 875 milligrams, considering that we need about 2 to 5 grams in a day. You could get quite a bit of potassium, but I don't know if you want to eat sugar just to get that when there are so much healthier alternatives. And it does have some calcium. And when you add that with magnesium and your vitamin D and trace minerals, this can help your bones. So you need more than calcium to build a healthy bone. It's thought to be a little bit more friendlier to the environment because it's a sustainable choice. So you don't have to work the soil so hard to get the sugar from the coconut sugar, to process coconut sugar as you would from cane sugar. Because it has a little inulin in it, not insulin, inulin, it tends to have a lower glycemic index and may spike the blood sugar a little bit less than table sugar. So it may give you some blood sugar balance. And then because it has the inulin, it's thought to have some gut health. Now these are all minor things that could make it a slightly better, but there are much better choices for sweeteners that we can talk about in another video. So if you want to use coconut sugar and you have a recipe that's calling for 1 cup of granulated white sugar, you would replace that 1-to-1 and just use 1 cup of coconut sugar. I do not think we should eat lots of sugar. The American Heart Association recommends that we limit our intake of added sugar to 6 teaspoons a day for women and 9 for men. And at drhamiltonstubbs.com, we teach people how to do this. Sign up for one of our free sugar challenges. We use a low added sugar diet program that was created so that people can learn to reset their taste buds for sugar and eat a healthier amount of sugar. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to share. If you haven't subscribed, I hope you will. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for stopping by.